Hello, Msanje. It's August Girl. The two men that are accused of killing the producer Adifeli Maimela, known as Bashrile Mfana, who was shot dead at an apartment he shared with Natalie Paka in Polokwane Mahasen Street. The two men have been granted bail yesterday. The defense lawyer argued that accused number one has 3 children and is also caring for her elderly mother, who is unemployed. He added that accused number one runs a vehicle towing business which generates a fluctuating income. Accused number 2, lawyer Amanda Mphahlele, lawyer from UNISA, said there was no evidence directly linking her client to the shooting. She stated that accused number 2 is only connected to the alleged crime through his presence at the scene. She also said that accused number 2 has a child with a chronic illness and he is the one that is responsible to take care of him. Mzanze, I deliberately shaded accused number 2 lawyer being Amanda Mphahlele because people on social media, last week at the time when Amanda Mphahlele was reading the affidavit in court, they were mocking her, saying she has a squeaky voice, she's this, she's that, lawyer from UNISA. But at the end of the day, she is a certified attorney. Oksalayo. So I rata like the statement, like the comment it even got to her. I saw her Facebook page and her TikTok page, you could tell it really got to her because she had to even prove a point. I posted a picture of graduated level go UNISA and with the very same degree that she obtained to go UNISA right now uko court. Like, guys, why Lily Petty so? It's so unnecessary. We all have to start somewhere. So anyway, I digress. So accused number 2 lawyer, being Amanda Mphahlele, said her client does not have a passport, so he is unlikely to run away. Although the investigating officer suggested that 20,000 rand bail should be requested to release them, however, the presiding magistrate said he was satisfied with both accused that they met the requirements for the bail. He granted them 5,000 rand each. And he ordered them not to commit any crime while out on bail, not to interfere with the witnesses, and not to post anything on social media about Baswele or his family. He said both accused must report to the nearest police station every Monday or Friday between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. So they must also seek permission from Sergeant Tungwebe if they wish to travel outside Limpopo or Polokwane, and the case has been postponed to the 29th of June 2026. Chairman Mpho Mashabela said he was disappointed because both of the accused have been granted bail, whereas Bashrile Mfana is rotting underground. Mzanzi, life is not fair. We cannot compare the two accused Leshebe. Shebe, the reason that they denied him bail this time around since last year, November, it is because he is a repetitive offender, if there's such a word. Just like Amanda Mphahlele. So these two, they have no criminal record whatsoever. They are first-time offenders. And they showed remorse. Immediately after the incident, what did they do? They went straight to the police station. They handed themselves over, written the statement, told the investigating officer or the sergeant, or this is what happened. You see those people, they are remorseful. And they do plead guilty. However, South African law states that everyone is entitled to appeal for bail. Hence, appeal for bail. It is everyone's right. It doesn't matter or udirile. However, it is upon magistrate or adumele or agan, based on the arguments that you would present in court.
Yeah, we've been here since morning, so we are quite disappointed in the manner that this magistrate conducted himself. You saw all of you media people. You saw these people there are celebrating. You go around, you kill our people, and then after that you get 5,000 bail, and then you celebrate. So their families are here, friends, and I don't know. But it's quite disappointing that our artists are going to be killed by the criminals, and their fans are now in court celebrating a mere 5,000 bail. So we are quite disappointed with the state, actually. You can recall that the investigating officer suggested that hire out security. You must hire out bodyguards. Those bodyguards, they must protect you. It's a high time that we must face the criminals. Don't let criminals take.
Wa bona ge motho a ka tla mputsisha rena ka case ya baswele molao wa South Africa o rutileng ke tlo mmotsa gore molao wa South Africa o nrutile gore if ke senge ka tshela molao mo bophelong bjaka ene ke na le sethunya se se le molaong ge nka kwa tšatši le lengwe girlfriend yaka e nromela message mpotsa gore gape mo ke leng gona a ke feel comfortable batho ba ke neng le bona mo ke belelang ka re ba ka dira something le ke sa tsebe gore go tlile jwang gore a be le batho bawe le ke sa tsebe gore ba molatile ka gang go ba go riegang sonje ke vothe bafana baka ke fihle mo if go ba le di-argument nka re ba nyaka go nkisha matsogo sonje ke thuntšha ene ge ke thuntšha sonje ke make sure gore ke a thuntšha ke a bolaya then ke totla ke tehlamela story se le gore stone defender ka khotša pele cause ge nka thuntšha ka se bolaye motho we ke tla beng ke mothuntšitše o tlotla khotho a phegisha statement se nna ke tla bang ke se fele ene le gona ke iputša gore na ka gore ba swele ba robane le batho ba be ba ne ba swele ba kae ba sa tle go fa statement le bona ba bolela rona go diragetšeng ene gape Chantel eo o kae a sa tle go bolela rona go diragetšeng go tlile jwang gore a be le ba